And here it is, Bitcoin Jesus, here to save the day. Yes, we got that God candle out of nowhere. Today, I am going to tell you exactly where I think Bitcoin's going to go and how I'm going to maximize those potential profits. And I'm going to go over a few trade setups that were posted in our Discord, now at 50%, 44%, 79%, and 34%. And yeah, there's a link in the description below. There is going to be a promotion today. If you sign up, it is going to be $20 for a lifetime membership. You will get all the VIP trade signals, which are posted here in the Discord. And one of the last ones. So we'll be going over a couple of those. And of course, chart is not loading, but that we'll get back to. We're going to take a look at the liquidation levels as the heat map did us some benefits yesterday. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. So precise Bitcoin prediction. Now that we have broken out of the box of peace and prosperity that we've been talking about on the 12-hour time frame, just kind of reiterating that was the box we were talking about. And we said, look, if we break it out to the upside, very likely we're going to revisit the top side of the range. And in fact, I'm going to make a bold prediction. I think Bitcoin is going to take a leg up into this area, something like this. Bang, up here, gets stifled out. And then where would we pull back to? That's going to be the next major higher low. Gosh, you got to love that fancy drawing right there. So that takes us up to, call it 74.3. So I'm going to mark that off. That is where the liquidity is, guys. And I'm going to bring you back to High Block Capital. There's a link there as well. To the bright yellow that is up here all the way up to, gosh, going up to 75,000. So we could really start to get a squeeze forming. And yes, I do think the market maker will push price up there. Is it going to go up in a straight line? Probably not. So don't FOMO in, right? That's the great old saying, is buy the higher low. And for that purpose, we were talking about the 4-hour time frame. We wanted to see a couple 4-hour closures above this box, and it well, basically did it all in one shot. And what would have gave us off the early warning sign and how we were able to kind of snipe the entry here. And well, not only did you have the silver cross, the white 200 simple, just getting a positive curvature, but we did break out of the top side of the range. And this wicked candle yesterday, which took out the liquidity, came back down, did not come back down very far at all. And that would have been your candle body closure above and your signal to go long. And now it is, are we going to retest or not? And that's very, very likely what would have happened. We were talking on the 4-hour time frame. And where does the retest come back to? Probably somewhere in this area. In fact, let's see if we can grab a fib and line it up with anything very nice. So maybe somewhere between the 382 and the 0.5. That looks good. So we can put another box in here. And and then, well, looking for that, if we do get the retest, right, we're looking for that long back to the top side of the range. And really, that would look something like this if you wanted to take a long. And again, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, just telling you exactly how I'm reading the charts at the moment. Really, stops are going to go probably right below there, maybe even a little tighter, because I do believe most of the stops are, at a minimum right here and probably up there. But nice risk to reward ratio. It's not going to go up in a straight line. And in fact, there's a lot of liquidity right here at 65.5. I was telling my partner here, look, probably going to get a pullback from this region at about 65.5. And it does look like the breakout is real. How would you know it's a failure? Hey, closing a 4-hour back below here, very likely they're going to sweep that liquidity to the downside one more time. And that is a probable chance. But with what Jerome Powell said today at Jackson's Hole, right? At Jackson Hole, well, he said they're going to print money and make it go burr. And yeah, so just putting my money where my mouth is here. I got a take profit up here at about 74.5. And, you know, on the first pass of this 786, I know people are going to be probably selling off that area on the first pass. So that's a good rejection area. And the higher low, you want to see it come in somewhere around there. And we could just snowball right through there. What would give me that opinion? And just lining it up with some of our daily statistics here. I'm going to get rid of this. Actually, I'm going to screenshot it. Take a little screenshot, maybe post it up there in the Discord for people to take a look. And boom. Of course, take it with a grain of salt. If you do not know about risk management, I do not recommend messing around with any of this, but just using this as a bias buster. Make sure you like and subscribe. You know, a lot of you guys are spot long, wondering what the market is going to do. And that's why you should like and subscribe to our channel, because we're going to go over some trade setups right now that absolutely phenomenal. And, you know, you can join for $20, lifetime membership right now, link in the description below. Just shoot us a DM, let us know you signed up, and we will get you in there. All right. Starting off with Phantom. Phantom, I do believe that trade setup got blown up, so we will go to the next one. Zcash. Oh, I've got to be on the right screen, and I might... this does not, here we go. Bam, Aave, holy smokes, I'm glad I took a look at that. On the 30-minute, just took off. Bang. Interesting trade setup. Phantom, where did it go? That was a short failure. Zcash. Another failure. There we go. There's a good one. TP3 hit. This was a nice 20% move, and it went for more. Fetch, which Tau, I'm going to go over some trade setups right now. This is the next greatest one that I think is on the board. Dot, you know, to be fair, TP2 usually gets a sell-off. What happened for Fetch on TP2? We did sell off it at least one time, and then we busted through and came back, made a higher low, and kept going. And that's generally what you want to see for something like this. I wonder where the resistance is on this one. Fetch is completing the W. Wow. This one's really, really starting to go. So what does that tell us about the other AI coins? Let's see what ENJ. Bang, that one failure in ENJ. Wow. A lot of these are starting to go. TRX already had its runs. And the bake trade heading up there on the 45-minute, getting it pretty good on this one. Almost heading up to TP3. Aave, another one, was hit. Atom. Anyways, Atom, this is the next one. I also do believe TP2 is about to get hit. Sometimes I like to just get in there and scalp those ones for a good time. And I think we went over our Bitcoin prediction. What other trades did I want to go over with you guys that are kicking right now? Oh yeah, I got these in here. Oh, I can't show it because on another outfit. So Solana, let's take a look at that one right now. Solana. Coming up to the white 200 simple, and I wanted to see it on a daily time frame. I think we can confirm this as the macro low. I do believe this one is going to stretch up. it's due for a boom. But again, just be prepared for pullbacks along the way. It's not going to be a straight line up, but overall, that is the target on this one. So it will be fun to follow up on. We got our God candle out of the way. We got the liquidity zone up here at about 74,000, and our bold prediction for Bitcoin and making a run back at the highs. I think that'll do it for today, guys. I hope you have a blessed and highly favored one, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.